Hello everyone, this is the love reading for my Sag, that is Sagittarians, from 9th to 15th of August. And this reading may not resonate with every one of you, but please take whatever resonates with you. And the cross watchers can also get the story from it. So let's begin. Now let me take out two love messages for you, Sagis. Let's see what we have for you. Okay, so the first message for you, Sagittarian, is this, and message for your person is this. So now let's see what are the messages. Your messages, this is a message for you. So Sagis, you are thinking of some of your person. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light and I love you. Very beautiful message here. And this is what the messages of your person. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. So there may be some sort of trust issues here. So this is the what your person is saying, the transformation occurs through acceptance. Now let's see what does the tarot, my love team, as for the Sagis. What is the message, my love team, for the Sagittarians? Okay, so this is the recent past. This is the present moment. This would be the near future. This is your challenge. And this is your advice. Alright, these are your cards. Sagis, in the recent past, Lovers card. Lovers card means that the relationship was not very good between the two of you. And the two of you could be married. This is a soul, soul connection. But something negative was there in your relationship in the past. And you both were not complementing each other, and you were going the opposite directions. Now in the present moment, you have the Queen of Wands. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. You people, I think you are now trying to take action to resolve the issues, trying to take action to balance the relationship, and trying to make it normal. This is what it is saying in the present moment, Sagis. Now in the near future, you have the Wheel of Fortune, which is a karmic, which is a destiny card. There are bound to be changes in your relationship, big time changes in your relationship, and you'll have to go with the flow. You will have to accept the changes which are occurring in your relationship. There are two major arcanas here, so definitely there will be changes in your relationship. And your challenge is 10 of Pentacles in the reverse, which means that there are certain, of course you two seem to be married here, because this is a long-term goal. This is everything about your life which is fulfilling, very happy. You want everything in your life. You want a happy dog, happy cat, happy mother, happy father, happy husband, happy wife, happy children, lots of money, lots of blessings here. This is your challenge actually, and the advice is 9 of Pentacles, that you should try. Both of you should give space to each other. Both of you should remain separate, kind of space. I mean, you people should balance your relationship. You should not be too controlling of each other. So this is what I have for you, Sagis. Now let's see what is there for your person. What is there for your person? What is there for the Sagis persons? Let's see. I think there are some sort of trust issues here also, but your relationship is going to change because it is destined, it is fated. So now let's see. Okay, so this is the recent past. This is the present moment. This is the near future. this is your challenge and this is your advice. Alright, so these are the cards of your person. In the recent past, there have been some sort of issues regarding your stability, regarding your stability. This is the Emperor card you have got here in the recent past, which means that there were issues regarding some property issue, money issue, stability issue, trust issues. Anything could be there in the recent past. Now in the present moment, Seven of Cups. Now in the present moment, you have come out of the confusion. Initially you had a lot of choices, but now you have come out of the confusion regarding your relationship. There were illusions regarding your relationship. Maybe you were taking each other for granted. So this is what it is in the present moment. In the near future, you have the Queen of Swords here, which means that somebody is not truthful, somebody is not honest here. Could be dealing with the Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, and somebody, there is lack of honesty, maybe lack of trust here. Now in your challenge, you have the Temperance. That means you need to balance. Now this is a major arcana card, so you need to balance, you need to be patient, you need to be moderate with each other. You need to give space to each other in order to balance the relationship. So this is what it is telling me in the challenge part, that you need to give space to, you need to understand each other, you have to be moderate with each other, that's what it is telling me. And in the advice, you have the Six of Wands. So if you are not going to follow these very important message as Sagittarians, you need to balance each other, the relationship, you need to be moderate, you don't have to be extreme. So then if you are not going to listen to these messages or these kind of advices, then your relationship is bound to fail. It can also be that your person is feeling individually, they are feeling that they have failed in the relationship, they have failed in the marriage maybe. So this is what I have for you, my Sagis, and I hope you like the reading. Thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.